Okay, my name's Kathy Talbot and I'm a trustee for Tenby Museum and Art Gallery, work I've done for about 6 years. But for the last 4, I've been honorary curator at the museum, which provides a bridge between the museum staff and the Board of Trustees.
Okay, and what does it mean to you to win a Wales Volunteer of the Year award?
This is all about the museum as a whole. What I've done at the museum, bringing it into the 21st century, as the plaudit said, is more about facilitating the excellent staff to do the work they're capable of. They've not had leadership, it's a very grand word, they've not had the leadership to really bring ideas to the fore, and with their ability and my ability to facilitate that, we really haven't moved forward.